The politicians are taking advantage for the Karamoja context of the poverty, the biting poverty in Karamoja, the hunger that is there. They are taking that advantage to bribe voters. And it is working. To be a politician in Karamoja at the moment, you need to have smiling pockets. The politicians move with money, change in various denominations. They know which population to get to, which denomination to give. It is now a known thing that in Karamoja, when you meet a politician for a handshake, he has to put his hand in the upper pocket. That is for a denomination of 1,000 to 2,000 shillings. If you have given him some good information, he puts his hand behind and pulls a 50,000 note. It is happening at all levels. Local council level, parliamentary level, presidential level. It is happening in the open. In the Karamoja context, this is no special case. It is happening. The citizens in Karamoja are selling their votes as cheap as for a cup of local brew. A cup of local brew is in position to change one's way of thinking to vote for another candidate.
Mawanga agatuirani Kenya ne Tanzania amateeka go wegali amateeka gano gakugula omuntu enna ensimbi zalina okusaasanya kyo kiyinza okutandikirawo ne bwe tulina teekwa twali nnyo kyamaanyi kigenze mu maaso ojja kusanga nti ebyokulonda bya Uganda byo bigenda kusigala nga bya nsimbi naye nga abantu tebalonda lwakuba nti omuntu alina obusobozi ojja kusanga nti abalina obusobozi tebagenda kusobola kufuna bifo kubanga abantu tebalina nsimbi za kubawo.